Did you know that your homeowner's insurance company can drop you after making just 2 to 3 small claims? But there are some key steps that you can take to protect yourself. I'm Kim Lankford, contributing editor with Kiplinger's Personal Finance magazine, and I'm here to tell you how to get the best homeowner's insurance at the best price and protect your coverage. The most important thing to keep in mind is to not make small claims. Insurers really have been dropping people after making just $200 or $300 claims 2 or 3 times. The key thing is to raise your deductible to at least $1,000, which can lower your premiums by up to 25% and prevent you from making some of those small claims that could get you dropped. The next step is to check out your clue report. Insurance companies share information with each other through a database called the Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange. It's important for you to check your clue report to make sure there aren't any errors that are making it very difficult for you to get coverage or for your rates to get increased through your own insurer. Go to choicetrust.com and take a look at your clue report. It's also important to look at your clue report before you buy a house because the insurers keep track of the claims made on the house, and you can have a difficult time getting coverage even if you've never made a claim at that house before. Next, make sure you have enough coverage. When people add additions or do major home improvements, they need to let their insurance company know so they can increase their coverage amount. And generally, your premiums will not increase by very much, but you'll have hundreds of thousands of dollars of extra coverage. It's good to work with an insurance agent who can go through your house and give you an appraisal, or go to a website like AccuCoverage.com, where you can use some of the same databases that builders use to figure out the insurance costs. Next, it's most important to work with an independent agent when you're shopping for coverage, especially if you live in a high-risk area such as a coastal area. It's gotten much more difficult for people to get coverage on the coasts, but an independent agent can help you figure out if there is an insurer who can offer that coverage, what you can do to protect that coverage, and whether you do need to go with your state's high-risk pool. Finally, ask what isn't covered. One of the key things that's excluded from homeowners insurance policies is flood coverage, but you can get a low-cost policy from the federal government if you go to floodsmart.gov. You can get prices there and also find the risk of your house. Also, things like sewage backup coverage, which could lead to tens of thousands of dollars in claims, generally isn't covered automatically under insurance policies, but you can often add a rider for just $30 a year to add that coverage, which can be very valuable. I'm Kim Lankford, and these are the basics.